How to add Zoom to Outlook. Hello guys, welcome back. Today in this video, we will be guiding you on that. So let's just get started without any delay. First of all, you may head over to Outlook, and if we follow the old method, we need to head over calendar for that once you are logged in from this interface. And once you are calendar, you may select up a date, and it gives you option where you can add up a title and everything. You can look out for more options, click on it, and when you click on it, you can look out for the three dot at the top. And if you're looking for add-ins option, you won't be getting it. So what you need to do instead is, instead of following up this method, you can look out for Zoom for Outlook on one of your browser, open it up in the same browser, and then you can look out for this Zoom for Outlook add-in in Microsoft App Store. Open it up and wait for this to open. Now what you can do is you can look out for this get it now option, click on it, and here you need to type in your Microsoft Outlook email address, the one you're using in your Outlook. So just go ahead and type it in here, hit sign in, and it will give you another option. So wait for it to complete first, and you can look out for this option, and here you can fill out this form and click on get it now option. And then once that is done, when you head back to your Outlook, you should be finding Zoom added. For that, look out for the settings icon at the top and look out for mail option, where you will be getting customize actions option, or you can look out for this option right here. You may head over to calendar, look out for customize actions, and look out for Zoom here. You will be finding it here once it is installed. And when you head over to the calendar process and select a date like we did earlier and click on more options, here at the top you can easily find a Zoom option. You can just go ahead and click on it and start. Just go ahead and start a Zoom meeting link here, and that should do it. So you may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.